One of my favorite things about Valentine's Day is giving and receiving love letters and cards and notes from and for the people that I care about. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you a nail art design inspired by love letters and love notes. I think this design is super cute and it's really easy, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how I did it. First step always is to use a base coat, and then I'm going to use a white nail polish as my base color because this is what color paper usually is. Now I'm taking a light blue polish and I'm using this to paint the lines that you see on lined paper. You can use black, you can use gray, but I chose blue. I'm going to do that to all of my nails. Now I'm going to take a red color and I'm going to paint a vertical line down the left side of each of my nails to make it look like your college ruled notebook paper. And then from here, you can really do whatever you want. I'm gonna be painting some hearts, and I saw this cute little tic-tac-toe design, and so I thought I would just add that on here because tic-tac-toe is usually with X's and O's. Some stick figures that are holding hands because they like each other. And then I'm gonna do some kiss marks. My mom used to write these cute little notes for me when I was in school, and she would kiss them and leave her lipstick mark on them, and I thought it was kind of funny. So I took a pink polish and I'm just dotting the shape of an M for the top lip and then just a little curved C-like shape for the bottom lip. And this is it. This is really a super cute, fun, easy design I think anyone can do. To add the final touch, I'm using a matte top coat because paper typically isn't very glossy. And this is the completed design. Super easy, super cute. I hope you like it. If so, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.